If you're wondering how to start AI learning on Coursera, you're in the right place. Artificial intelligence can seem overwhelming at first, but with the right learning path, you can build your skills step by step without any prior experience. Before we get started, if you decide to enroll, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. The best place to begin is AI for Everyone by DeepLearning.AI, created by Andrew Ng. This is one of the most popular AI courses on Coursera with outstanding ratings and more than 50,000 learner reviews. It explains what AI is, how it's used in the real world, and how it's transforming industries. Best of all, you don't need any programming experience to get started. Once you've learned the fundamentals, the next step is Google Introduction to AI. This beginner-friendly course helps you understand generative AI, responsible AI, and practical business applications. Google's industry expertise and easy-to-follow lessons make it an excellent way to strengthen your AI foundation. After that, you're ready for the Google AI Professional Certificate. This comprehensive program teaches practical, job-ready AI skills including prompt engineering, AI-powered productivity, data analysis, and real-world AI applications. Along the way, you'll earn a professional certificate from Google that you can add to your resume and LinkedIn profile. Following these 3 programs gives you a clear path from understanding AI basics to developing practical skills and earning an industry-recognized credential that employers value. If you're planning to complete all 3 programs, purchasing them individually can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the smarter option. Right now, you can save 40% on the annual Coursera Plus subscription, reducing the price from $399 to just $239 per year. That's less than $20 a month for access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects. If you're serious about starting your AI learning journey in 2026, Coursera Plus gives you the flexibility to learn at your own pace while saving money. If you found this guide helpful, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.